Good afternoon, children. Today I'm taking something from writing section, advertisements. So children, advertisements, they come in your examination consisting of 4 marks and the word limit is 50 words. So first of all, you should know what advertisements are. So children, advertisements, they are the public notice and public notices, and the basic purpose of these advertisements is to inform public. To inform public means generally they are published in newspaper with a purpose that it should reach more and more people. Clear? Its purpose is that more and more people should read it. Now, in your syllabus, 5 types of advertisements are there. Lost and found. Second is sale and purchase. Third is situation, vacant and wanted. Fourth one is accommodation. In accommodation, 2 types of advertisements are there, to let and wanted. And the last one is matrimonials. Clear? So today we are starting with the first one, that is lost and found. So when we write, children, these advertisements, so the basic points which you should remember while writing this lost and found type of advertisements. So points I am telling you. First point is particulars of the lost article. Means suppose you have lost a briefcase. Clear? So in the very first line, you will mention that you have lost, means this kind of briefcase is lost. You will mention what you will mention, the color you will mention, the shape and size you will mention. Similarly, you will also mention the company of that particular briefcase. Clear? Now the second point is brief description of the lost articles. Means suppose inside that bag you have kept certain valuable documents. So the brief description of those valuable documents you will mention in that advertisement. Third point is day, date, time and venue. Means on which date or at what time that particular article was lost. This is very much important to mention in this advertisement. Fourth point is if there is any reward, do mention. If you want to give reward to the finder, clear? So do mention it. And last point is address and phone number, if any. Clear? If any means if it is given in the question, then only mention, otherwise no need, especially in board examination. So children, now one type of, I have given here, one example I am giving you today of lost and found. Suppose you have lost a bag. Clear? So for this, suppose you give the heading lost and found. This is also correct. You are writing lost a bag. This is also correct. And suppose you are simply giving lost. This is also correct. Heading should be, if related heading you have given, so half mark will be given for that. Now, lost and found. Suppose you have lost a bag. So you can mention simply lost and found because it comes in the lost and found column of the newspaper. So here I have written lost a bag, lost a leather bag, purse containing valuable items like debit card, identity card, Aadhaar card and office keys while traveling in a local bus, from Connaught Place to Chandni Chowk on Thursday, May 21, 2020 between 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. Clear? Anyone furnishing information will be suitably rewarded. Contact ABC 123 Sarojini Nagar, New Delhi 110001. Now see, what was our first point? First point was particulars of the lost article. So in the very first line, we have given our particulars of that bag. Lost a bag. Instead of saying that lost a bag, clear, or lost a purse, clear, lost a purse or lost a bag, whatever it is. So instead of saying that lost a purse, in the very beginning we are mentioning the color, and no need to use the word color, black color, because if it is black, obviously it means color only. Leather. So instead of saying that the company the stuff is of leather, we are simply writing leather. It's understood. Clear? And you can say that, yes, you can mention the company also. Suppose lost a VIP black leather purse. So company also you have mentioned here, instead of saying that it is of this and this company. Simply the words you are choosing, such words you are choosing, which are creating a meaning in itself of a complete sentence. So our second point was brief description of the lost articles. Means you have kept certain valuable items inside it, so you are mentioning it. The second point you are mentioning here, containing valuable items like debit cards, identity card, Aadhaar card, clear, and office keys. Now the third point was date, time and venue. Clear. So here we have mentioned date, time and venue. That while traveling in a local bus, venue we have mentioned in a local bus it was, and from Cannot Place to Chandni Chowk. Clear. In a local bus, because so many buses they travel from one place to another. Clear. So in that particular local bus which travel from Cannot Place to Chandni Chowk. Clear. And it was day was Thursday, and date you have mentioned 21 2020, and time here it is between 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. Clear. And our next point was, if there is any reward, do mention. Clear. So if there is any reward for the finder, do mention. So here we have mentioned that anyone furnishing information, furnishing means providing information, will be suitably rewarded. Clear. And the last point was address plus contact number. Clear. Or phone number. So contact ABC 123 Sarojini Nagar, New Delhi 110001. Here only imaginary address I have given, but you will mention that particular address which will be there in your question paper. Clear. Here I have not mentioned the phone number. You can mention if it is in the question paper, then only, otherwise no need. Now here one example I have given here. The question is, Hemant Kumar Srivastav has lost his mark sheet and certificates of the class 10 board examination while travelling in bus number 110. Write an advertisement for the same using not more than 50 words. So what you will mention, this you will do it yourself. So what you will mention in this, that what he had lost. So he had lost a mark sheet. You will mention that lost a mark sheet. Class you will mention, board whether it was of UP board or CBSE board or any other board, and the year, of which year the mark sheet is. Clear. Now first point to come, but that second point, that brief description of the lost articles, this point will not come here, because simply a mark sheet was lost and nothing else with that mark sheet was lost. Clear. And so second point will not come, and the rest of the points will be there. And as far as the the format is concerned, 1 mark, yes, marking scheme, distribution of marks. For format, 1 mark is there. 1 mark is for half mark for heading, and half mark for address. 2 marks for your content. Clear. Whatever content you have written here, and 1 mark for expression. And in that expression, what is seen? Grammatical mistakes plus the way you have expressed your ideas. Clear. So this is a 4 marks. Do this question, and the next we'll do tomorrow. Thank you, children.